welcome back to Brotuned, guys. As you've seen before in my CZ 457 with the IBI barrel, the Tenex seems to be the best stuff going for it. I'm probably not going to buy this stuff all the time at 30 bucks a box when team and match is half the price, but I just want to see what it'll do now at 100 yards. So I have a shoot and see target out there, and I have a little sticky, 2-inch sticky. So I'm going to take a few shots at the sticky just to get my zero. I dialed up 2 mils. We'll see where we're hitting. We're going to keep track of the crony data just in case we have something crazy happen. We can go review the footage and see if we had a crazy velocity shift or something. But anyways, let's get to groups. So I have 25 shots left in these boxes. The first group will be on that cider sticky, and then from there we'll go to the shoot and see. Let's get to shooting. Okay, got our parallax adjusted. Pretty much zero wind right now too, which is a bonus, so it's a perfect time to test this out, except for the sun's right in my eyes. So here we go. First shot. Not sure where that went. So it's looking high, about a half a mil or so. I'll go down 4/10. So basically we're just gonna sight in with this first 5 shots. Another 1/10 down, so 1.5 mil. I guess I'll go left one. Last shot. Okay. So we've got the barrel sort of fouled in here. Now let's get some shots on that shoot and see. So the first group I'm going to go for dead center, and after that I'll just go around the edges or something. We'll figure it out. So first shot. Okay, there's our 5 shots on the center. Looks just over 1 inch to me from here. So now I will shoot at the 3. So just up from dead center, I'll shoot at the number 3. So it's looking about an inch as well. Next group, I'll shoot on the left side at that number 3 ring as well. That's looking sub-inch, that group. And the last 5 we'll shoot on the right side at number 3. There you have it. So hopefully that camera down there didn't die. Hopefully you could see the impacts on the sticky target, and I'll get this data up. If we see anything kind of weird, we can have a look at the shot data and see what's going on. Alright guys, thanks for watching this 100-yard test with the Tenex in my CZ 457 with the IBI barrel. See you next time.